Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome back. I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving holiday. So today is Monday, December 2nd of 2019, and here are our morning announcements for today. For December birthdays, we do have one birthday to announce for today. So it'd be Emily Carroll. So happy birthday to you. I hope you have a great day today. We do have a couple other birthdays this week, but it looks like we get a lot more later on in the month. So definitely happy birthday to all our December birthdays that will be happening. We bring back our pause expectations today with our first grade students. Thank you to Mrs. Lake's class who helped out with that project of giving thanks during our announcements. So we switch back to pause for this month, and this will be first grade from Mrs. Manali's class.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our pause expectations. We have three students here from first grade in Mrs. Manali's class to go through cafeteria expectations.
Use quiet voices in the cafeteria. No yelling in the cafeteria. Chew food and swallow it before you talk to someone.
Good advice. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much, guys. And going on our things of lunch, we might as well give our lunch choices. It would be meatball sub, grilled cheese, or turkey and cheese sandwich. It must be some of that leftover turkey from Thanksgiving, I wonder. No, not really. I'm just kidding. So it's just turkey and cheese sandwich. So at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you guys very much, and everyone have a wonderful day today. Welcome back. Let's have some positive attitudes happening throughout the building today with some great expectations. Let's have a wonderful day and start out the month on a positive note. Have a great day.